Bappy, Bappy, come down here, so. You can see it better from down here, so. Come now. Come. Come here. Come down here, so. You can't see from there, so the tree are blocking. Man, the yard you ever go out with a bag of things. You never know say fireworks will bust to them, and I have none. Oh shit. Bappy, Bappy, come here, come here, come here, come here, so. You know, hear me?
No.
May I tell you if you come here, so because you can see it better.
How will I be able to hear you?
Come over here, so. You know, see it good down there. You can see it better here, so.
I already saw it.
No, but look here, so you can see it better. Right over here. That's good. And where them get sick from?
Who's doing those ones
No,
over
no.
there?
We don't have to go anywhere for a show. We have a show at the house. Like, them people are extra packed around here.
We don't have any.
Me never even know so this supposed to happen.
This happens every year.
Me think I just span the
This happens every single year.
yeah, but me never know say me think of the well next one year when we bust there. 4th of July one.
The New Year's.
You might know say Christmas Day so extra. They might try over there, so, but nothing really a go
We
on.
don't have
For
any.
them we could dead up one over there. So.
Why don't we have any
Me never know say this fear happen.
fireworks?
Oh no. Oh, I see. Wow.
Wasn't Punky here for the last one?
Can't remember. Well, this I try to, but them won't weak. Don't know. Is it over?
It's over.
Yes. all, a play at all.
Mommy, why are they doing this?
Them feel happy. Them feel happy. Them feel festive. You know?
But Mommy, Punky, and Grandma. That's horrible. Not pleasant at all. Why would they do that? Why would they make such a horrid sound with a cacophony of fireworks? How many do they have?
They can't run out.
That one didn't even go the right way. They launched it into the street.
They might go all over the place. They might try to make them come down for a week. Yes, sir. Roger.
They're launching them into the road.
Roger, them all go out, so. All go over there for their yard. Yes, sir. Most of them take it serious.
Are they finally done, or are they just taking a break to get more?
Maybe it don't know.
Do you hear that? What is that sound?
Them done?
They're not done. They're just going into the basement to get their secret stash.